What up, YouTube? It's a boy Sean Koza underscore SA01. And guys, I want to tell you something. We're back. We're back, guys, with more content, more work. As you guys know, how we're doing it. We're doing it live. So yeah, guys, I'm back for good. I'm going to make sure that I post every Sunday. I'm going to post what's going to be happy, what are we going to be looking at during the week and all that. So guys, I'll be back with the updates. I'll be back with like more content. The day in life with Sean Koza, all that is going to be back from now on. So guys, before we even carry on with this video, make sure that you follow and you make sure that you subscribe. Go to my description. Make sure that you click on those links below and make sure that you go to my Insta page. Make sure that you click that follow button everywhere. You have to follow me everywhere. If you guys need any mentorship or anything, make sure that you take my WhatsApp number on the description and make sure that you text me. So guys, another thing, those who want free mentorship, listen to me properly. Those who want free mentorship, make sure that you go to my description below. Then make sure that you click on the TD Markets link, the broker, which is recommended on the description. Make sure that you click that link, open up an account. If there's anything that you don't understand, make sure that you text me on WhatsApp so that I can help you, or on Instagram, anyway. So make sure that you click on that link, open up an account, fund with minimum of like 500 Rand, then send me a screenshot on like WhatsApp. Then I'm going to give you free full mentorship for 2 months. Ne? So guys, without wasting your time, let's get into it, guys. So guys, now as you guys know, I don't prepare like I don't like plan my videos on what. I just take my PC and start working, right? And I record if I have to record, like I'm doing now. So guys, without wasting your time, today we'll be starting with NASDAQ, your favorite pair, as you guys know. So guys, without wasting your time, let's get into it. So yeah, guys. This is what we see. This is the nest egg that we're having. As you guys can see, it's very simple. This is what we're having. This is what you guys see. This is where the market is at this point. So guys, today it's a Sunday. So yeah, guys, just want to analyze this pair so that we can see what's going to be happening this coming week. As you guys can see, Nasdaq has been pushing up crazy. Has been pushing up crazy. So guys, it's very much clear that we're on an uptrend. So what you need to avoid doing is trading against the trend, right? So if the trend is like pushing to the upside like it's doing now, just make sure that you follow the trend, right? There's no need for you to be trading against the trend, right? So guys, in this video, I'm just going to make sure that there's like just the one or two skills that you're going to get from this. Obviously, guys, I'm not just making these videos to be telling you what's going to be happening this week, but then also you can use this as something that you're going to use to understand the market much better. You understand? So yeah, guys. So I don't want to dwell much on like the past on what happened in the past. So I'm just going to go to the 4 hour time frame, because we can definitely see that on the daily time frame, it's so clear that it's on an uptrend, right? So there's nothing much to do there. There's nothing much to do. So guys, without wasting your time, guys, you know how we're doing it. So we're just going to change this to our line chart so that we can see what has been happening. So guys, the line chart, what I like about it is that it's going to remove all the noise from the market. So it's just going to show you like the proper movements of what has been happening on the market. So guys, I'm just going to mark this point as my lowest point and mark this one as my highest point. So we're just going to be having those two. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. So this will be our highest point, right? Let me just lower it a little bit. Yeah, it's proper. So guys, this is the 2 points that we're having at this point. Yeah? So now we're just going to be looking at other points that we're going to be needing for us to make a certain confirmation, or make a certain for us to take a certain direction, right? As you guys know how we begin the market. So yeah, guys, now what I'm doing is just marking the zones where I'll be just looking for entries or entry points or TPs, all that. So those zones now, they help me out a lot when it comes to like TPs, take profits, you know. So yeah, that's why they're so important. So they help out a lot. When you're still doing them, you can say, those things, you're just wasting your time. But then when you're now trading, you will see that it's not a waste of time. Instead, they will really help you out a lot. So guys, this is what we'll be having. So those are the zones that we currently have, right? Those are the zones that we currently have. So now we'll just be changing back to candlesticks. So guys, this is the candlesticks. As you guys see how this zones works, guys, you see exactly where we put our zone, it's exactly where the market started turning, right? So you see, guys, also when you're doing that, guys, it also removes like noise. So you definitely know that, okay, wherever you're putting that zone, it's definitely where the market is turning, right? Without like including the weeks, of course, because those that's the noise that we're trying to avoid. So just guys, what I'm doing now is just highlighting the points where I feel like uh, 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 the market now. This is just the support and resistance zones that I'm busy marking now. It's just support and resistance zones. And where I'm also marking like on top of those horizontal lines, it's just because to highlight that there's a certain point or a certain movement that needs to take place from that certain point. I don't know if you guys understand, but then yeah, that's just how it is, guys. So guys, as you guys know, those who have been with me for like years, they know that this is how we're doing. This is how we kill it on the market. So guys, let's just change back to the line chart so that we can see what is really, really happening. So now, guys, we are about to like dive in deeper on the chart. So now we're diving in deeper on the chart. So guys, either way, guys, now what are we looking for? We already have our support and resistance. What are we looking for now? We're looking for our trend line. So guys, trend lines, guys, for example, there's so many trend lines on the market. So you can be wrong, you can be right, but then make sure that you know how to use the trend lines, guys. Because another mistake that many people are doing is that they can't set their trend lines proper. One thing, guys, if you fail to set your trend line properly, then you definitely know that it's going to give you a hard time. But then, guys, candlesticks, you need to know them. But then trend lines, guys, they're so important. So, guys, now I'm just going to adjust my trend line. Even though, guys, you can see how the trend line is, right? You can see how the trend line is. So now, guys, what I'm going to do here, guys, what I'm going to do. Another thing, guys, that you should avoid on the market, guys, there's a lot of trend lines. For example, let me just show you guys something. So you need to be aware. You need to also know which one is the proper like trend line. Hey, guys, those things. You need to know like which one is the proper trend line. For example, I want to show you guys something. For example, there's some people that are going to use that trend line and put it like this. There's some people that are going to use that trend line. So you just need to know which one is the proper trend line. You understand? So you see, already, guys, it's giving you touches, right? But then now, me, that's not what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to use this one to make my trading simple. I'm just going to use this one. And whatever happens, guys, if the market, one thing about me, guys, if the market comes and reacts on my trend line and respects my trend line, then I'm definitely going to take the trades. But then if it happens that the market doesn't do that, then I'm definitely not going to take any trades. You need to respect the market in order for the market to respect you. That's just how it works. So you see, guys, we have our first touch and a second touch. So as you guys know, we're waiting for our third touch, right? That's what we're waiting for us to take like entries. So we'll be looking for our third touch there. So just to add confirmation yana, also for like confirmation yana, you can just use this. Even though I don't like using it, I just use it sometimes. You know, I just use it like sometimes. That's when now just use this. But then most of the time I don't use it like that. So yeah, guys, I'll be expecting the market to come to this point, then that's where I'll be like taking entries. If it happens that the market gets to that point, because it can also happen that the market doesn't get to that point. As I've showed you guys that there's other possible like entry points of the market. There's other possible entry points of the market. Okay, guys, I would like to put this one here. Yeah, there it's proper for me. I would like to put it there. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting from NASDAQ. Let me just remove this. As you guys know, our charts have to be clean all the time. This is what I'm expecting on NASDAQ this coming week. This is what I'm expecting. And another thing, guys, as you saw, guys, NASDAQ has had this nice continuation pattern pushing to the upside. So you see, guys, it had this nice confirmation to push to the upside. But then either ways, guys, I'm not going to focus much on that because it's something which happened in the past. And another thing, guys, we still have a continuation pattern that might form here. So which can be a huge possibility for the market to start pushing to the upside. Either way, guys, if the market start pushing to the upside, then we're also going to get entry points. That's one thing about the market, guys. There's no way you can like lose entry points on the market, because now, guys, in what the market is showing us now, this can happen. Let me just show you the possibilities that we can get on this chart. But then, guys, in both ways, I'm just looking for buys. In both ways, I'm just looking for buys. So if it happens that the market pushes to the upside, I'm still going to get trades. How am I going to get trades? So when the market opens, I'm just going to let it run. And another thing, guys, I don't like trading like as soon as the market opens. Nah, I don't like trading as soon as the market opens. So the market can start by like pushing to the downside, coming to this point, then giving us something like this, then it pushes to the upside, breaks this point, then continues to the upside, right? But then now, this is the thing. So if the market is going to do something like this, we can now catch our entries right here, right? But then now, what I'm mostly looking for is for the market to come here. So I definitely know that if the market gets to that entry point, we're going to eat, because now we're going to be pushing towards the upside with the market, you know. So that's what I'm expecting. So guys, let me not waste your time. Let's go to another pair. So now let's go to US30. Okay, before US30, I just want to show you something now. Let's just analyze this one. This one is so simple. Very, very simple. So there's no need to do much. Guys, one thing about the market, guys, the market is very simple. It's just how do you approach the market? The market is just simple, guys. It's just how you approach the market. But then the market is very, very simple. So guys, as you guys can see, this is what we'll be having. It's very simple, guys. Just very, very simple. It's just so clear, guys. It's so, so clear. So clear, guys. So guys, this will be like possible turning points that the market can where the market can turn. It's possible turning points, like I'm saying. So I would say it's giving like same thing with the NASDAQ. As you guys know, US 500 collaborates with NASDAQ, like it works hand in hand with NASDAQ. So what I'm going to expect here, I'm going to expect it to drop. Then either give me an entry point there, but then what I'm looking mostly for, it's this entry point that we're going to get here. So yeah, guys, that's just how it is. But then either ways, guys, we're still looking for buys. Either ways, we're still looking for buys. So we're looking for the market to push to the upside, just like that. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. This is what we're looking for. But then now, it's going to depend on how is the market going to react. Because if you can check, this is a very strong support. This is a very strong resistance, I mean. Oh, now it's a support because the market broke out. So now we're waiting for a retest there. So this is what can possibly happen. But then let's just wait for this one first. So this is what I'm expecting. So guys, let's just go to US30. Then you're going to choose another pair that you're going to do. Hey guys, it's been a while. I haven't been like analyzing the market like that. But then now I'm fully back, guys. I'm fully back. So guys, now without wasting your time, as you guys can see, also guys, when it comes to US30, it has been pushing like crazy to the upside. So there's nothing much to do on like US30 on the daily time frame, because it's so clear that the market has been pushing crazy to the upside. So what we're going to do is just going to go to our 4 hour time frame, see what we're going to get. Then yeah, we're just going to take that, because guys, the daily, it's showing us some other things, you know. So guys, now we're just going to be looking at the 4 hour time frame. As you guys can see, we have a very strong level there. So guys, that's the lowest level that I'm going to mark there. Then also the highest level that I'm marking here. So guys, another thing, guys, don't need to make your trading hard. You just have to make sure that you make your trading very simple for yourself. Some people will be going out there just making like trading very hard for themselves. Guys, just make sure and like simple setup, because now another thing is that people don't believe that such setup can like make you profitable. people believe that those setups that are complicated are the ones that are going to make you a lot of money. Nah, chief. What are we doing here? That's what it's just how we make money. So me guys, I can just put like one support zone, then I just put like one trend line, then I make a lot of money. So guys, this is what we do, and this is how we make a living. So there's no need for you guys to complicate your trading. There's no need for that. As simple as you make your trading to be, then that's how you're going to be understanding the market, right? There's no need for you to make things hard for yourself. That's just how it is. So guys, another thing, this one is very simple. It's very much clear. So it's very clear, it's very simple. So now let's just change back to the line. There's some zones that I want to include because I just feel like there's some things that are missing. Okay, I felt like that zone was missing. Some other zones, guys, you're just going to not put them and just feel like, nah, this zone is not important. But then when now the market plays out, you're going to see that yeah, that zone, if you were to include it, then it was going to make so much difference and it was going to make you understand something, you know. So some other zones that they are important, some other zones they are important. You just have to make sure that you mark them. So the zones, guys. So, guys, you see, guys, very like, guys, just make sure that your trading is very simple, guys. There's no need for making things hard for yourself. Trading is very simple. Trading is very simple. So, guys, here, what I'll be looking for as soon as the market gets to the zone, I'll be going in with my entries. As soon as if the market continues to dip like that, then I'll be looking forward to take entries from that zone, pushing to the upside until there. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for in your stop loss just below the trend line. So now what I'm looking for, let me just show you guys. What I'm looking for is something like this. I'm just looking for a touch here, then we push to the upside. It's so simple, guys. One thing about trading, it's so simple. So simple. And another thing, guys, one thing about my students, there's no student that doesn't like make money. I don't have any student that will tell you that I was taught by Sean Koza and I'm still making losses. There's nothing like that. Then that means you're not paying attention or you're not taught by me. You're just lying. You see, that's another thing, guys. So I just use this for I would say confirmation or whatever, but then I just do use the Fibonacci sometimes though. I don't know, I use it when I don't know. I just use the Fibonacci sometimes. When I feel like using it, I do use it. Okay, guys, this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm expecting on USDT. So now, without wasting your time, guys, let's go to any currency pair. Okay, I'm just going to choose one currency pair. Okay, let's check gold. Hey guys, but then I don't like trading gold like that these days. Gold has been like moving like crazy, huh? Guys, let's just leave this thing. So let's just go to AUDUSD. That's another pair that I do like to trade most of the time. So guys, as you can see, guys, also this one, it's not so hard. Like guys, all the pairs for you to analyze them, they're not so hard, guys. They're not so hard. You the one, like I'm saying, guys, you the one who's making like your trading journey to be hard. But then otherwise, guys, trading is very simple. Otherwise, guys, trading is very, very simple. So you can see what we'll be having here. So now, the line chart makes things even more better for you because it's going to make things much more clear for you. So I think you should be like best friends with like the line chart because it's going to show you a lot of things. It's like a cheat code, I guess. I don't know. But then only if you understand it though. Because if you don't understand it, then it will never be like a cheat code to you. You see, that's another thing that you need to like know. So yeah, guys, I'm just putting in like my zones. What am I doing now? So yeah, guys, just like putting in my zones. So my trend line is in. So my trend line is in. So I definitely know that okay, I'll be like getting entries soon because it's now on my trend line. So you just see guys when you change this to bet to the candlesticks, then you're going to see what's happening. It's going to be like it's going to show you a lot. So this is what we'll be doing. So guys, very simple, nice and clean setup, huh? So this is the last pair that I'll be analyzing. And yeah, guys, this is the last pair that I'll be analyzing. Okay, guys, so this is how it is. So now let's change back to like candles. So now what we need to do, let me just adjust my trend line. Guys, trend lines are so important. One mistake on the trend line, then you just know that you're out. One mistake on the trend line, you out. Trend lines, guys, are very important because, for example, if maybe your trend line is like this and you're expecting now you're going to say it's a breakout. This is not a breakout as yet. This is not a breakout. So those are such mistakes that you should make sure that you always avoid. So, guys, this is how our trend line is looking like. This is how our trend line is looking like. So this is what I'm expecting. Since the market is still above our trend line, this is what I'm expecting when the market opens. This is what I'm expecting. So yeah, guys, this is what I'm expecting. These are the setups that I have. These are the only setups that I have. So guys, if you have any comments, make sure that you comment below. And also, guys, if there's other videos that you want me to drop, like any videos that you guys want me to be pushing, any videos, like yeah, any ideas that you guys have on what my next video should be about, make sure that you comment, tell me what I need to post about. And another thing, make sure that you go to my Instagram handle. At my Instagram handle is Sean Koza underscore SA01. Also my TikTok account, it's at Sean Koza underscore 0_SA01. So as you guys know, ne? And again, guys, again and again and again, make sure that if there's anything that you need in the Forex market, make sure that you text me on WhatsApp. I'm always available on WhatsApp. If you don't use WhatsApp or you just want to be more professional or what, there's also my email on the description. Make sure that you hit that email, you send something, or just go to my Instagram, make sure that you send something. And another thing, guys, thank you for watching this video until this point. So yeah, guys, I'll be dropping more videos for you guys, more content for you guys. And now I'll be making sure that I'm always consistent in what I'm doing now. So guys, we're back. And if you guys want signals, we're back, guys. We're killing it like crazy. And guys, last week we chopped CPI. It was last of last week. I don't know. But then yeah, this month we chopped CPI and we're still doing it again and again. And every month, guys, we doing a joint account for NFP and CPI. If you want to be part of the joint accounts, make sure that you text me on WhatsApp so that I can like get more information. And yeah, guys, don't forget, if you want free mentorship, make sure that you go on the description below. There's a link for the recommended broker. Make sure that you sign up with that broker. It's a very much trusted broker. It doesn't have any off codes. It's a award-winning broker. And guys, it's a trusted broker. You get your withdrawals in time. There's no like market manipulation and all that. So make sure that if you want free mentorship, make sure that you sign up with that broker fund with minimum of like 500 rand. I don't know what 500 rand, how much 500 rand is in dollars. I think it's like $30 somewhere there. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing now, guys. Don't come for me. I'm just guessing. So yeah, somewhere around like $30. Fund those $30 or 500 rand, then send me a screenshot on WhatsApp or Instagram. Then I will start teaching you how to trade. So yeah, guys, without wasting your time, guys, yeah, this is where I'll end the video. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. And yeah, guys, another thing, I'm back and I'm here to stay. This year, guys, we're doing it. We're doing it bigger and better. Thank you, guys. I'm signing out.